Hey guys, Evan here with your Excalibur bite-sized breakdown, where in less time than it takes to grab a coffee at the drive-thru, we serve up easy-to-digest insurance unknowns. For most of us, a home is our biggest financial investment, and protecting it is not as easy as renter's insurance, because you own the bricks and mortar. You've got potential for flooding, sewer backup, possible fire hazards that need to be disclosed. And we all have toys and valuables that create real blind spots for us homeowners. All that to say, some things need special coverage, like your wife's 1-carat diamond engagement ring, or your Cervelo P5 Di2 tri-bike. She doesn't need to know that it's worth more than her engagement ring, but it still needs to be covered while it's traveling the roads on your bike rack, because right now, it's not. And while you may have thought standard home insurance would cover your son's stolen $5,000 GarageBand setup, It's an entirely different can of worms when an insurance specialist can't be bothered to ask significant questions, all because their year-end bonus is screaming, "Make the sale!" And that's not on you. It's shame on them because they're not the ones out a $10,000 bike because some Instagram addict rear-ended you at a stoplight. Aside from special coverage, a lot of home insurance is actually confusing. You'd assume that if your city sewer backed up and flooded your home, that you'd have a place to stay while your insurance company pays for your renos. But that's typically not covered under a standard form policy. But flood coverage gets even more confusing when you factor in overland flooding during major storms and spring thaws. And while this is a great way to spend the afternoon in most people's books, it's not so great sitting in your basement like this with no coverage. Any insurance specialist in Ontario worth their salt should be making you aware of this, and more. But if they're fighting to the bottom just to be the lowest price, well, some homeowner's gonna end up on the short end of the stick when they make a claim. Hey, you shouldn't have to do all the work. Or lose sleep at night wondering. My point is this, home insurance has a lot of moving parts, so don't let fast and cheap come back to bite you. A reputable broker who really wants to defend your home will take a little longer, but isn't it worth the investment?